What's going on, folks? Day 18, early with it. Just want to show y'all I'm planting these. So it came, all of these are conjoined. I broke them apart. I'll throw them all in here, see what they can make. Catch y'all later. Just wanted to get y'all in here right quick with this. Always have a drainable base. If water can easily drain out, even though the compost holds water very well, drainable base helps release the water. Of course, I'm gonna come back with something else. So filled it up a little bit with compost. Then this one was taller, so I put this one in first, put some compost around it so that way I can put these in at around the same height. So I'm gonna fill the rest of it up now. Go ahead. So these came in a plastic bag filled with cocoa. So here's a quick rule for y'all. If it was good enough to be cloned in, if it was good enough to transport the plant in, it's good enough to add to the pot. Alright, I figure while I'm out here, I might as well give y'all an update on the pineapple plant, right? Remember, it was in here. Here it is now. I was being hard-headed and flipped it before I came and made a video about it, and so it was loose, but it did take root. It was doing very well. Alright, put it back in place. I can't say, probably due to it being rainy the last few days and I had it out here, the middle pieces had decayed out, but everything else looks strong and intact. But anyway, if everything is a success how it is with this one, that means it's time to bring out the smallers. All right, we can call this part 2 of the day. So y'all see, flipping these. There we go. Working power 1. 89 at the top. That's because the sun right there. And 79. Working power 2. And I saw that 91 for the first pile. I'm gonna go for 89 on this one. And working power 3. Yeah, see, the sunlight makes a huge difference. I'm gonna say 79 for the low. 83 for the working power 4. I'm gonna go with the sun at 87 for the high. Spare green. 87. I say 81. Oh, 1. $80. About 85 probably. Pile 2. I saw 89. Pile 3. 87. 87 and 80. Counting that 79, 87, and 80. Power 4. $88 and 80. 91. Beer green. It was a short day, but still had to do whatever we had to do. So everything's mixed up. Had to add water to this pile because it's getting dry. Had to flip this one because it was wet. So, that's it for day 18. It was a short day, but still had to do whatever we had to do. So, everything's mixed up. Had to add water to this pile because it's getting dry. Had to flip this one because it was wet. So, that's it for day 18.